In this video, I will share with you how to check in online in Qantas. So all you have to do, follow me in this video. Go to Google, search for Qantas flight, click on this first result. When you click flight, click the first result. After that, you will see this page. From this page, you will see different section here and divisions. Just click flights and look for check-in option. Look for check-in. From check-in option. So friends, all you have to do, go to this section. So we will see this page, write your booking reference and a last name. So if you want to get a booking reference, look for Qantas booking reference. So guys, you will see you can get actually your booking reference through this page from here. Just a way to see another page. So guys, this is the booking reference. You can extract from here this section and then copy your booking reference. For example, this one, write your last name. When you write your last name, click check in, click on check in. This is how you can do it. Is easy steps. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and share this video for more content, and see you in another video soon.